How to change email in the Character AI app. So let's get started. First of all, open the Character AI app. After opening the app, you will see something like this, which are the recent chats. Now to change the email, tap onto your profile icon at the top right here. Then here you can find the settings option at the top. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on to sign out right here. Now to change the email, you need to sign out. Now tap on it. Now you will see something like this after signing out. Now to change the email, tap on to continue with email right here. Then to change the email, simply add another email and simply join. Add another email just like this. After adding it, tap on to join. And by doing this, your email will be changed. And that's it. This is how you can change your email in the Character AI app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.